Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. That out of box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours. All in your
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Cozy Corner our Vignette. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna decorate a cozy corner or vignette. Now, it is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and myself, Design with Emma. Our co-hosts are Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Debbie Bubbles, and Dream with Caroline. And what I'm gonna be decorating is my little cozy corner up here at the top of my steps. So I have a little landing here, and I have this little chest, and what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be decorating here. So come along and let's see what I have in store for you. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna show you some of the items I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using the little hearts here. I did purchase these at the DollarTree. I'm gonna keep the picture I have here in the white frame, and I'm gonna keep my lamp. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the little hearts here. I'm gonna use these actually as like a table runner. So I'm gonna place 3 of them across the table here. Okay, so as you can see what I've done, I went in and I've added the hearts here on my table. I did use 4 instead of 3. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in and add this little camper. The little camper I purchased at the DollarTree, and all I've done, I went in and put my flowers in it, and I actually made it a floral arrangement. Now, you all can go back to Lovemas last year, and you can see the DIY where I made this little camper. It was really quick, it was easy, and very budget friendly. There you can see it. I thought it was cute. And on the front of it, I put the little red heart. And what I've done, I went in and I added the pink and red flowers. So this is gonna be, so far what I have my lamp, I have my little camper, and I have the hearts here on the table. Up in the window, I've added a heart that I purchased from the DollarTree. I just put it up in the window because the window is right above my little stand here, table. So this is how it's looking now. I'm gonna add a few more pieces to it, and then I'll show you the reveal. Now for the reveal, I'm gonna take you in and let you take a look at it. Then I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I added the little camper as I showed you. I did go back in and put the little white bear and the white flowers just to pick up some white in it. On the bottom, I did show you where I had added the 3 hearts. I went back in and I added the little red and pink hearts around the heart nets. Now, the little red and pink hearts, I did pick those up from the Dollar Tree. Also, the little bear with the white flowers was also from the Dollar Tree. The red and pink roses here in the little box were from Temu, and they are beautiful. I also added the little angel over here holding the little diamond. And as you can see, I went back in and added the red lights to the flower arrangement. The flowers were from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. The little camper, as I told you, was from the Dollar Tree. And it says better together forever. It's got the little hearts. I went in and added the red hearts to it. So guys, this is my Cozy Corner vignette that I have for you today. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more for inviting me to host with her on this Cozy Corner Vignette Valentine's Day special. I will be leaving her information and all of the creators who are participating today in Cozy Corner Vignette. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.